What's up, everybody? This is Masada. Today I want to go over some of my favorite YouTube streaming sites that I sample from. Whatever, I give it all away. I don't really care. Everybody's going to flip the samples differently. I'm not hoarding anything. Alright, so I like to go to South Hawk. Find this is a great channel. Bus, that's Tibuss. PGH Pookie, Soul Brother, Sound of Revolution, 70s heavy rock fan. I like to get a lot of my my psych rock samples from here. Robbie, this dude is just on point. Crisco, Luna Mountains, Gospel Vinyl, the Rarest Records, Andre Navarro II, the Rare Groove Man. How can I forget about that? Hey, look, subscribe. I wish you luck on your digital digging. Peace.